Welcome to my JavaScript tutorial. In this class, we're going to cover concatenation and template literals. In other words, template strings. So let me go get our HTML boilerplate and enter. So here, I created a file, that is a JavaScript file. I will have to link it to our HTML file. So immediately after the closing tag of the body tag, I will go for script. Then inside the opening tag of the script tag, I will go link it. I will go for source, CRC, then tutorial.js. I will add another h1 tag. I will right click and go for open with live server, and this is what we have. So here I created few variables to demonstrate the difference between concatenation and template literals, as you can see. So right now I will go for on-screen keyboard. So this is the on-screen keyboard. To get this, you have to hold down the control key, the Windows logo key, and the letter O. So right now I want to comment this out. To comment something out, you have to highlight it, then go for two keys on your keyboard, the control key and the /. Here we go. So right now we have created few variables here. So the channel name will be Code with Samuel, or in single quote. So if you want to create a string, it should be either in single quotes or in double quotes. If you start with a single quote, you close with a single quote. If you start with a double quote, you close with a double quote. So now the channel name will be Code with Samuel. Then I will have to close that with semicolon. The number of videos, let's give it 250 videos. Then I will close it with a semicolon. So right here, we have to go add our string. So the channel Code with Samuel, we can use another concatenation here, then comma. So right here, you can see that we concatenated the strings with the plus symbol. We joined the strings together with the plus symbol. After every string, as you can see here, the channel, then we come out of the string and concatenate with a plus symbol. Then another string, we come out of it and concatenate with a plus symbol. Then the variable, then we concatenate that variable with another string. We come out of the string and concatenate. So you can see the process here is a bit tedious. Okay, I think template literals is the way to go. Okay, so right now let's output this to the console. So right here, console.log, then let's output the message to the console. So we go back to our page. I will right click and go for inspect, then we'll go for console. You can see we have it here. The channel Code with Samuel has generated over 450,000 views and uploaded over 250 videos. So this is how we demonstrate the term concatenation in JavaScript. So when it comes to template literals, we don't use the plus symbol. Okay, we don't have to come out of each string and then concatenate with a plus symbol. What we can do here, I will show you what we can do. I will get rid of all these plus symbols. Then I will copy this. Okay. So under template literals, let result equal to, then to create a template literals, you have to use on your keyboard under the escape key, you will see this backtick. So click on that backtick. Then inside that backtick, let's paste our string. Okay. So here, you don't have to use plus symbol. What you have to do here is that when you get to every variable, you represent that with a $sign, then open with a curly bracket and close the variable with a curly bracket. We have to log our result to the console. So let's have a look. So you can see we have it. The channel Code with Samuel has generated over 450,000 views and uploaded over 250 videos. Okay. So the last thing we should do here is to give this background a color and equally the text a color. So let's go do that really quick. So here, what we have to do is to get a reference to the body tag in order to change the background color, and equally get a reference to this h1 tag in order to change the text, the inner HTML, to change the text color. So what we have to do here, we go back to JavaScript file. I will create a constant variable, const body is equal to document dot query selector, then in bracket the body tag. Okay, then I will create another variable for the h1. Const channel is equal to document.querySelector. In bracket, we go for the h1 tag. So right now, let's change the background color. Go for body.style.background color, or background anyone, is equal to teal. So let's go have a look. You can see that the background color has changed. So let's change the color of the text. So what we can do here, we have gotten a reference to the h1 tag, which is this channel that we're going to be using to manipulate the inner HTML. So here I will go for channel.style.color is equal to, let's go for white, and then let's have a look. So white, let's center this by giving it a margin left. Maybe a margin left of 600 will work. So I will go for channel.style.margin left. So let's go select margin left is equal to, let's go for 600 pixels. And then let's have a look. We are good to go. So this is how to differentiate concatenation from template literals. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. See you in my next video.